A decade ago, we had 2 courses in leadership and we knew that we needed more. We now have an 18-hour minor in leadership development. That's developing leaders, not just studying leadership. And we have as our foundation servant leadership, probably best expressed by a great leader 2,000 years ago who said he came not to be served, but to serve others. Servant leaders serve others in the organization. We have some great teachers. 2 of those teachers, Dr. Chris Shannon, was a United States Air Force officer. He knows leadership. Ellis Bush, civilian leader extraordinary and an outstanding teacher, recently named the Ingalls Award winner, the outstanding teacher at Troy University as selected by the students.
We feel like you should choose the field of study that you want to focus on, whether it's criminal justice or social work or business or athletic training. And then the leadership minor then takes that field that you're going to focus on and develops the leadership skills that you have in order to be a leader within your field. The perfect student for the leadership minor comes from a wide variety of places. We have different personality types. We have that traditional extrovert who everybody sees as a leader, but that's a stereotype. We have many people who are quiet and lead with a quiet strength. There's all sorts of characteristics that a leader can have, and our goal is to take whatever the student is like and bring out that leadership ability within them.
Our leadership minor also is offered in a traditional classroom setting, but also now it's in the online domain. So those individuals around the world who want to actually take that minor and need an opportunity to do it in a different way, we offer that as well too.
One of the central focuses of the leadership minor is character development, because character is who you are, and a character is a reflection of who you're going to be. One of the main phrases that we use is that character produces behavior and behavior reflects character. And so our desire and our goal of the leadership minor is to develop your character so that whatever you choose to do, you will be a person of character and you'll be a leader of character.
We have the option of doing service learning projects and also a varied number of kinds of internships where you practice, and we keep track of those people. They report to me on an email once weekly, give a briefing at the end, and this is putting it into practice.
We do different events outside the classroom, and one of them, especially in our 400 class, which is our leadership seminar, our capstone course, you get a chance to do field trips. So students get a chance to go visit with government officials, they get a chance to talk with other individuals around the state who provide them different perspectives. We also bring in briefers from outside the Troy University environment. So the mayor, like Mayor Reeve, actually comes to speak to us. And so those individuals come and bring their leadership perspective to our students. So students can get a chance to see leadership from more than just the instructor standing in front of them. They get a chance to hear from those individuals who are engulfed in it every day. We also do this etiquette luncheon, and the etiquette luncheon is also the opportunity for students to understand that they're going to have these interviews, and sometimes they're going to sit down at a meal. And they're going to actually have a conversation with those individuals at that time frame. It's a good idea to know how to conduct yourselves during those time frames. Chancellor Hawkins and Ms. Hawkins actually come and actually provide us with those professional and those little tidbits that maybe we do not understand about sitting down and having a meal with those individuals. Leadership is an art because it is a human endeavor. It requires you to be creative. But even the greatest artists understand the science behind their artistry. And so we teach students both of those, the artistry of building those relationships and be creative, but also the science portion that helps bolsters that artistic capability and stuff to be those leaders.
We pride ourselves on being very student-centered, on knowing our students, and caring about our students, and staying so we're very available to our students. And we believe that's important.